Hello there, just a very quick one. This is a Pure Air 3, I think. Oh, Pro. There you go. Pro Air 3 Pro. It's got an error 3. Doesn't work. But if I turn the handlebars to the left, it does work. So, if I could do this one-handed, see the throttle doesn't do anything. Handlebar to the left. Error code's gone. I can spin the wheel with my foot. Press the throttle, wheels going round, and now the error code's come back. The throttle's still depressed, or the error code's gone. The throttle's still depressed, wheels spinning, turn it there, gone off. Back on, off, on, off, on, off. So something is not right between here and down there. It either needs a new cable running up, or a replacement for one of the cores that's broken, which we'll investigate. Got a tiny screwdriver underneath there, and I've lifted this up. It's just press fit in. Probably take the customer's information away. We've got lots of things. Lots of things. Moving this doesn't fix it. Moving the handlebars still fixes it. So nothing is disconnected up here. They're all still intact. I'd imagine it's somewhere. It runs down here and then through this underneath section into the stem by the looks of it, and then down there. So somewhere it's broken. I'm going to guess it's going to be in here or something. If I had to guess, that's what I'd go for. Oh, yep, it'll beep. Right, I've found the problem. Look, this was all wrapped up in metal stuff, so you couldn't see it. And, yeah, look at that. Cable snapped. Completely broken. So hopefully, I'll just join that back together. Bloody thing works again. Be nice, wouldn't it? Well, I'll update you when I've done some soldering. And I've stripped them off. Ready to solder them back together. They're joined together now. I did, of course, unplug the main battery, because that would have been stupid not to. Get that plugged back in. What do we get now? Live. Don't want to wiggle that too much, to be honest, because I've not insulated them, but let's see what happens with this, shall we? Oh yeah, fixed it. See, that moves every time the wheel moves, so interesting. There we go, I'll get that all put back together, so that's got to go back on there. I didn't need to take that off, but the damage might have been up there. And I'll get all these insulated, taped, and then I'm going to hot glue underneath the tape to keep it all separate and things. But yeah, hopefully this helps. So that's error code 3 on the Pure Air 3 Pro. And that's how you fix it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.